Today we are here at 2248 Summit View Road in Powell, Ohio. This is a spacious 3-bedroom, 2-bath, split level, attached garage in the heart of Powell, Ohio. We are currently in the generous living room with attached dinette that does lead into the open and functional kitchen. This is all on the main floor. The lower level here is partly finished and does come equipped with a laundry room facility, storage room, downstairs bathroom, down into the basement. We do have a generous sized room with pool table. We will head back up the steps, go up to the second level, which does feature 3 bedrooms, 1 bath, our first room to the right, first bedroom. We do walk in now to the second bedroom. And the third bedroom. As we come back through the kitchen and dining room area, we make entry into the garage. This is a 1-car garage, which does also lead out to the backyard. This does offer a nice, spacious size yard, great for entertaining. We do thank you today for joining us here at Property Management Pros, again for our tour of 2248 Summit View Drive in Powell, Ohio, which is closely located near restaurants and shopping, great school district. Please join us at www.propertymanagementpros.com. Thank you for taking the tour with us today.